Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jaypriya, your maths teacher. Today, let's learn how to do 5-digit addition with regrouping. Clear? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Here, addition of 5-digit numbers with regrouping. So, add 24,314 plus 37,886. So, first add ones place digits. Which are they? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So you can write 0 is in ones place and 1 as carry over to tens place. Next add tens place digits. That is 1 plus 8. That is equal to 10. So you can write 0 is in tens place and 1 as carry over to 100 place. Next add 100 place digits. That is 1 plus 3 plus 8. That is equal to 12. For 12, write 2 is in 100 place and 1 as carry over to thousands place. Next add thousands place digits. That is 1 plus 4 plus 7. That is equal to 12. For 12, write 2 is in thousands place and 1 as carry over to 10,000. Next add 10,000 digits. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 6. This 6 you can write in 10,000 place. So when we add 24,314 and 37,886, we will get 62,200. See, in this example, we can add 3 numbers. Okay, 16,540, 3,281 and 79,107. So, first add ones place digits. That is 0 plus 1 plus 7. That is equal to 8. That you can write in ones place. Next add tens place digits. That is 4, 8, 0. Here 4 plus 8 plus 0 equal to 12. For 12, write 2 is in tens place and 1 as carry over to 100 place. Next add 100 place digits. That is 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 9. So you can write 9 is in 100 place. Next add thousands place digits. That is 6 plus 3 plus 9. That is equal to 18. For 18, 8 is in thousands place and 1 as carry over to 10,000 place. Next add 10,000 digits. That is 1 plus 1 plus 7. That is equal to 9. So, when we add 16,540, 3,281 and 79,107, we will get 98,928. One more example. 27,395 plus 64,158. See here, first we can add ones place digits. Which are they? Yes, these are the ones place digit. So we can add 5 plus 8. That is equal to 13. So for 13, you can write 3 is in ones place and 1 as carry over to tens place. See, now this is the tens place column. So we can add tens place numbers. That is 1 plus 9 plus 5. That is equal to 15. For 15, you can write 5 is in tens place and 1 as carry over to 1,100 place. Next add 100 place digits. That is 1 plus 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 5. So you can write 5 is in 100 place. Next add thousands place digits. That is 7 plus 4. What is the answer for 7 plus 4? Yes, 11. So you can write 1 is in thousands place and 1 as carry over to 10,000. Next, you can add 10,000 digits. That is 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So you can write 9 is in thousands place. So when we add 27,395 and 64,158, we will get 91,553. Now I hope you all have understood the topic 5-digit addition. Isn't it? Okay, let me check. Here I am adding one question, only 10 seconds to answer. So try to do fast. Clear? Okay, let's start. Okay children, thanks for trying along with me. I know some students are very slow in calculation. Don't worry, please do more problems from your home. Clear? Are you happy? Okay. See, please copy exercise 2 on page number 19 into your notebook. Here I am adding answer key for exercise 1. So please compare this answer key with your answers. Then if there is any mistakes, please correct it now itself. Okay. Then see you on next section. Take care. Bye.